That's the product pick of the week this week. It is the Feather M4 Can Express with the AtSam E51. On one feather on the terminal block, 3 wires, and then the same 3 wires are running across this, 15 feet of cable to another Feather can, M4 can right here in the back. They both have a potentiometer on them there that I'm reading for setting the NeoPixel color of the one on the other side. When I turn the knob on this Feather M4 can, I am changing the colors on the NeoPixel ring back here on the other feather. In the opposite direction, I can come over here and send messages back to the one on my desk. So traveling over 15 or 20 feet of wire, even though they're right next to each other, you can see it's very, very responsive. Product pick of the week this week, it is the Feather M4 Can Express.